That's Ava and May at 1:30 in the morning. It's -1 and they're still out sledding. Down the driveway. They're gone now. Goofballs. What's wrong, Dino? You cold?
Alright, let's go in. It's getting really cold. No, my feet hurt really.
Run, run, run!
What? Ooh, stay in the left. Stay in the. Stay. Where'd the paddle go? Oh. Let's go in.
What?
Birds are kissing.
Uh-huh.
Don't do that. I've read about it. It's not good. It's cold. Go away.
Is it cold out there?
Yeah, my fingers hurt.
Not for me. I just put in my chin in a pile of rocks. Not for me. So my chin hurts.
My hands hurt.
What are the birds doing?
They're kissing.
They are.
They are. Their beaks are going. Mwah.
They're nibbling. Watch.
Who's gonna help me clean the kitchen?
Not me. I will.
Okay.
Thank you, Ava!
I like.
Maybelline!
I
Jeez! Let's go see the birds. What are they doing, Luella? Tell us.
We gotta get them
so
to kiss.
birds, boy birds, they will show that they're not enemies or they'll be friends by pecking each other. And they will. If you leave them alone for a little bit, they will. Watch.
Do it, guys. Do it.
Let him clean himself first. But earlier, mine was fluttering in that little. I'm a friend.
Oh, nice and warm in here, isn't it? It does look like they're kissing. Isabel, I'm glad you find it so funny. Why does Isabel find that so funny?
Dad, what if they're actually a girl and a boy?
They're two boys.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
What if they have eggs? I want them to have eggs.
Well, I actually got two boys because the girls are kind of mean.
I know they are.
Well, Florence, as I've heard, is very aggressive.
Whenever
Are
they
you
try
sure?
to-
The dark,
Two boys.
yeah, the dark blue one's actually the kind of the more aggressive one, I believe. They are. They're really pecking at each other. I've never seen that.
Dad, whenever like Florence trying to do something, hers will like bite her.
Oh.
Mine doesn't bite.
All right. I think I'm going to sign off for the night. I got to go get that kitchen done. It's almost...
What are you doing?
I'm going to go clean the kitchen. I don't want to do it in the morning.
Why are you recording us?
Because it's fun.
Are you playing this when you do?
Yeah.
Oh, no! That's the second time I've heard that tonight.
Wave bye.
Wait, why are we being recorded?
I don't know.
It's okay on you do.
Yeah.
Who tipped the box over?
I
Oh, you already started picking it up.
yeah.
All this stuff needs to go in the dryer.
Got a match.
Put this stuff that needs to go in the dryer. Watch out for the water.
Yeah, all this stuff needs to go in the dryer.
I'm going to get my dryer stuff out. Did you keep that box somewhat organized? Uh-huh.
We kind of just.
Well, anything that needs dry, we'll stick it in the dryer. Intelligent Sarah stayed in here.
I want to try these ones on. I want to see these ones with me.
Alright, I'm going to go up and get started, so just do your best putting them away, okay?
Okay. We're done.
You want to get them back out tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah, probably.
Here, take a few blocks. The stuff that needs dry, just take a few blocks and put it in front of the fire there.
Yeah.
Oh! Huh?
I'm gonna put
That's videos.
Yeah.
Oh. Move your
You got to step over. I'm tired. I'm old.
Dad, you're not bad.
Well, I feel it.